Hi guys, Pete the Wargamer here, and welcome back to another video about my homebrew competition. Now, this is the announcement video. This is the video that everyone who submitted their homebrew Space Marine chapters has been waiting for, and it's finally here. But before I kind of go on and tell everyone who's won, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who submitted. I had over 160 submissions. Some of those were just a few paragraphs. Some of them were whole essays with artwork and mock-ups of color schemes, and it was crazy to see the amount of creativity that you guys just demonstrated with this. It was really great to see all just the amount of thought that's gone into a lot of these things, the amount of work that you guys have put into a lot of these things as well, and just having that opportunity to have all this shared with me is fantastic. And my dog's just come in the room, so let me just get my dog. So here's my dog, by the way. This is Luna. This is it's my beagle. And anyway, so one of the things that I wanted to just say is thank you for everyone who submitted. There's only can be one winner for this competition, and everyone else who submitted, I just want to say a big thank you. Now, the winner of this particular competition, there may be more in the future, but this particular one goes to the Lanterns of the Cleansing Light, and that was Sam Breers. And I just want to say congratulations, Sam. I'm not going to go into too much information about your chapter in this video. I'm going to be fleshing that out in the actual conversion video, and we'll get that miniature made over the next few weeks, get the video done, and we'll get that miniature sent to you. So congratulations, and to everyone else, commiserations, but there will be more competitions similar to this coming up in the future. The first one of those will either be a Chaos Space Marine, similar kind of thing, make your own Chaos Space Marine Legion, or make your own Astra Militarum regiment. So, look forward to those. So, congratulations, Sam, and hopefully we'll see that video very soon.